So now let's talk about proving universal statements. So again, we're looking at, for all x and d, if p of x, then q of x. And what we're going to use is called the method of exhaustion, which we've talked about before. So let's just look at an example. Use the method of exhaustion to prove the following. So the statement we want to prove is that for all integers, for all n and z, if n is even and between 4 and 26, then n can be written as a sum of two prime numbers. So we're going to look at n is even and between 4 and 26. So the first value n could be is 4, and you want to write it as a sum of two prime numbers. So 4 is 2 plus 2. Our next even number would be 6. 6 is 3 plus 3. Our next even number would be 8, which is 3 plus 5. 10, which 5 plus 5 or 3 plus 5. And then 12. So you got to run through all the possible values of n. 12 is 5 plus 7, 14. 11 plus 3, 16, 5 plus 11, 18, 7 plus 11, those are all prime. Then 20, 7 plus 13, 22, 5 plus 17, 24, 5 plus 19, and finally, my last value of n is 26. It's 7 plus 19. So we've shown that this is true by exhaustion. We ran through all the possible values of n and showed that the statement is true. But I will say in general, or in practice, I guess, the method of exhaustion cannot be used. A lot of times we write statements about an infinite set, like the integers, and you can't use the method of exhaustion on an infinite set.